Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI and I have here with me, these are the Lipper salad hand servers that I think make such a good purchase. I love these, first of all, not only because they're so practical, but the first thing that I love about these things is that they're so beautiful. You can see there, look at that beautiful color. The design is just so nice. I love that wood effect actually that it has. It's so pretty. And so I really like having pretty things in the kitchen. It just makes the kitchen and cooking and using everything in the kitchen for me just more fun, which is great. And I also love that these make salad serving so much easier and so much simpler. It's not messy, it's organized, and I can definitely serve a lot better now. So I would definitely recommend these ones if you're looking for something practical for your kitchen to help you serve some really great salads, whether it's fruit salad or vegetable salad like this one here. I definitely recommend it. I've loved using it, and that's my point of view.